Welcome back to Corporate Sally. In today's video, I'm gonna share very interesting topic that actually affects your data handling. So, what happens when you deal with multiple data? The big data it captures the spaces from different format. You take the data from the website, you take the data from the PDF. For example, if you have copied some data from the Google, if I'm capturing this number, for example, I'm 40005 is my pin code. Okay, I'm just working on this pin code list and you are taking some data. So I've copied this formula, I've copied this number over here, and I'm pasting it in my Excel. Okay, so what happened when I'm putting any data from the internet or PDF, it basically capture the spaces, the extra spaces also. So what happened, अगर कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस वाला डेटा कॉपी करते हो एंड यू आर ट्राइंग टू मैप इट विद द वी लुकअप और different formula, so sometimes what happened, the accurate result will not come because it has taken the multiple spaces from the data. So basically you have to run the formula where it will remove the extra spaces. So before that, before you move into the running understanding the formula, you have to understand what type of spaces are covered. So basically, as per American standard, there is a code called 32. As per American standard code, there is a code called 160. So 32 is a normal space function which you can just remove it with the help of trim formulas. Okay, you can use it trim formula. If you are an already data analyst and you are already working in the Excel, so you must be frequently working on trim and you can remove the spaces. But what happened when you capture or copy a data from the website or PDF or any other open sources using SQL or any other APIs, then you will encounter that the extra spaces will capture, and for that you'll have to use 160. Okay, so here I'm going to show you the formula. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे पास एक डेटा है जहाँ से मुझे एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस निकालना है. सो वॉट आई डू, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला, आई जस्ट increase the size of this, so then you can see. You have to just open is equal to trim, open your bracket, substitute. Let me just type it for you. Trim, open bracket, substitute, and then you have to decide in which text you want to remove the text extra, in which text you, from which text you want to remove the extra space. Okay, and then you have to select the text from where you have to remove the extra space. Okay, and what you want to do, you want to basically remove the extra space which are covered, which are captured from the internet or from different browsers. So what you want, you have to type character and then again bracket open and enter 160. Okay, this is the syntax you have to use to give instruction to your data that whatever the extra spaces you have captured character from the characters, just remove it. So this is the syntax, that is character 160. And then in the new result, the new variable should come without space. So what I'll do, I'll type double inverted comma. Okay, which will give message to the Excel that just give me the result without any space, and then just close my formula and then enter. If you just do this, any extras, any extra, if you do this, any extra spaces which has come from the open market, from the open website, it will remove it. You can try this formula. You can try this formula if you're struggling to remove the extra space, and just let me know if this is helpful, if you have understood about the American standard code 32 and 160. एंड अगर ये वीडियो आपको हेल्पफुल लगा है तो इसे लाइक ज़रूर कीजिए और इसे मैक्सिमम लोगों तक शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए. थैंक यू.